tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following counties. In Virginia, Accomack, Northampton, and Virginia Beach.
The National Weather Service has issued tropical storm warning for the following counties or areas: Northampton, Virginia Beach, Accomack, Virginia, at 9:01 a.m. on August 20th, 2025, effective until 5:31 p.m.
Yes, they are expired, but they are still in effect. Basically, that was the National Weather Service. This one was the civil authorities that issued that one. I think the voice is really unique. Like, really, I was not expecting that. I know the alerts are expired for 12 hours, but however, I'll show you some proof. I go on my personal weather app that the alerts are still active until further notice, basically. See? This tropical storm Aaron right here, Hurricane Category 2 Aaron, but where this is the tropical storm area. See this reddish colors? And that's storm surge warning right here, I think. Yeah, that's storm surge warning. I might want to look that up later. But anyways, this is the tropical storm warning. See, it remains in effect for Virginia Beach. So yeah, the alert is not expired. It's a further notice, basically. So any of those two EAS you see that say expired, it's inaccurate. And the timing is inaccurate. Because tropical storm warnings never expire. Anyways, I just thought it was something kind of cool to record as an EAS. It's going to be counted because they're still active. And also, just because, might as well count them. Anyways, love you guys. Anyways, that's it.